KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope your weekend is going well and you're finding a way to try and stay cool, as well as another hot and humid afternoon with highs in the lower 90s, but feeling more like the triple digits throughout much of the afternoon, and still even at this hour feeling like 100 here in Lafayette. And so moving into the evening, we're not going to get that much relief, as it's going to be another sticky one, and then we pretty much just copy and paste that forecast all over again for the upcoming work week. So get ready for more of that extreme heat and humidity. Across the country, we are seeing quite a bit of scattered shower activity. We got some down through Florida towards the Miami area. Also have some scattered showers moving through the Tennessee Valley, producing some severe weather towards the Appalachian Mountains and over towards the East Coast. Have some showers moving through the Northeast, back through New York and over into Massachusetts. Have some severe weather now moving out of Oklahoma and heading towards the northern portions of Louisiana and Arkansas, but that system will fall apart and not really head our way. And then we have another little system moving through the Rocky Mountains, pushing out of Denver down towards the eastern portions of Colorado, and you can see numerous severe thunderstorm warnings with that, and that'll be heading towards Kansas. But a lot of this is moving west to east, so nothing is heading our way. We're going to continue to stay dry for the most part in the coming days with an area of high pressure right over top. But we did have one or two isolated showers this afternoon, maybe a little better chance at that, but most of it has now begun to fall apart. But we do have one or two systems left. You can see most of this stayed north of the interstate, but we do have this one back through Acadia Parish, now moving to the north of the interstate between Crowley and Rain and heading up just to the west of the Church Point area. But you can see it is beginning the weekend, and I would say here within the next half hour or hour, a lot of this activity has come to an end. Up to the north, we also have a couple isolated showers moving through Avoyelles Parish, getting ready to move towards the Cottonport area, and just to the east of Marksville. So I wouldn't rule out one or two isolated showers for the next hour or so, but most of this should be coming to an end pretty soon. 90 degrees is what we got here at the Lafayette Regional Airport. Factor in that dew point up around 75. It still feels like the triple digits, so not much relief. But we did have some winds out of the south at about 14, gusting into the lower 20s this afternoon. So that did create a little bit of some mixing in the atmosphere, so not feeling as hot and sticky if you were outside earlier this afternoon. But going into our Monday, we're going to see these winds relax a little bit, and that's going to crank up that feel-like temperature, as we could be getting up around those heat advisory levels of 105 to 106 maybe tomorrow afternoon. You can see nothing really going on through the evening. Clear skies to wake up Monday morning. Through the afternoon, I think most of us here in Acadiana stay dry, but if you're heading down towards New Orleans, you could see an isolated scattered shower during the afternoon, maybe even a thunderstorm. Also up to the north and west towards Alexandria and back towards Vernon Parish, I think the model's doing a good idea. This is where we're going to see the rain, but for us locally, we're going to stay dry for our Monday, just another hot and humid afternoon. Then pushing towards Tuesday, high pressure will be building again over top the region, clearing us out for the most part. So rain chances the next couple days are only going to be around 10, maybe 20%. So not expecting a whole lot of rain, just more of that sunshine and humidity. Pushing into our Wednesday, though, that's when things could change a little bit. You can see by Wednesday morning a few more showers out in the Gulf, and so maybe some of that moisture could begin to move onshore, as you do see the chance for one or two isolated showers. Maybe we'll go 20–30% chance for the rain by Wednesday afternoon, and by then you'll be begging for the rain to try and produce some relief from the heat and cool things off, at least for just a couple hours. For your Sunday night, we're going to go warm and sticky, some clouds clearing out, and that'll give you a perfect opportunity to check out Jupiter. It'll be right next to the moon, up in the sky a little later on. 76 for the overnight low, and then for your Monday, as I mentioned, a hazy, hot and humid day. 93 for the high, heat index up around 101 to 104 with mostly sunny skies. Winds on the light side out of the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour, and there you see it, 92 to 93 each day. That slight rain chance up on Wednesday, but otherwise just a 10 or 20% chance for that afternoon shower throughout the work week ahead. Looking ahead to next weekend, no real changes, so still very hot with very low rain chances. But moving into the following week, as we get closer toward that 4th of July holiday, though, it does look like some tropical moisture could be heading our way, producing some scattered shower activity. So that's something we'll be paying closely to, because I know a lot of people have some big 4th of July plans.